Broadcom stock just keeps on giving. It is crazy to me how much more of a household name Nvidia is than Broadcom, given the fact that investors could have made almost as much over the last couple of years investing in Broadcom. They beat on earnings. They just announced a new $10 billion customer who we all know is probably OpenAI. The stock is up 10% as a result of that. Here's a couple of game notes for you, breaking down the company, the stock, and their most recent earnings. The stock, sitting at about $340 a share, they are worth $1.6 trillion now. The stock is up 30% in the last 3 months, 121% in the last full year, and 288% in the last 2 years. By all accounts we could find, analysts are very bullish on the company with price targets going as high as $400 a share. Let's talk about those earnings. They grew their revenue by 22% year over year, up to $16 billion. That beat analyst expectations of $15.83 billion. They also beat on earnings per share, coming in at $1.69 versus $1.54 expected. But let's dive into what's really going on in driving the growth. Business segments and products. This is where it gets really interesting. That top line, $16 billion of revenue, can get split into two buckets. There's semiconductor solutions, which is 58% of the revenue, and then there's infrastructure software, which is 42% of the revenue. Shout out to App Economy Insights for putting together these easy to read visuals. I'm gonna focus on semiconductor solutions as that is where the big opportunity is. Okay, this segment reported $9.2 billion of revenue, and within that came the good stuff, and that is AI semiconductor revenue. That grew by 63% year over year, up to $5.2 billion. That 5.2 is now 33% of the overall revenue for Broadcom. Their CEO, Hock Tan, raised guidance, noting strong demand and future growth. To get nerdy for a second, this business includes XPUs and networking, where they are selling AI infrastructure to help customers scale up, out, and across in new ways. And I can tell you firsthand, working at AWS and Oracle, that this is a big deal. In terms of threats, we're looking out for 3 things: a slowdown in their customers' AI and/or CapEx spending, AI not proving to have an effective return on investment, and/or their customers potentially developing out their own solutions and vertically integrating. We like Broadcom over the long run, but would love to hear from you as well. So shout us out or let us know in the comments. Be good.